Did you know that ancient cultures understood a universal truth? Wealth begins in the mind. Let me share a timeless principle that can transform the way you attract money into your life. In ancient Egypt, the principle of ma'at, balance and harmony, taught that abundance flows when our thoughts, words, and actions align. The secret lies in the power of your thoughts. Think about it. What do you believe about money? Do you see it as hard to earn, or do you view it as something that naturally flows to you? The Egyptians believed that our thoughts shape our reality. When you think abundantly, you create an energetic frequency that attracts wealth. Here's a powerful practice inspired by this ancient wisdom: affirmation. Every morning, repeat this: I am worthy of abundance. Money flows to me effortlessly. I create wealth in alignment with my highest good. Say it with confidence and belief as if it's already true. But here's the key: your thoughts must be supported by action. The ancient principle of math teaches us that harmony is achieved when our efforts match our desires. Take inspired steps toward your goals, whether that's launching your dream project or managing your finances wisely. Lastly, practice patience. The universe works on its own divine timing. Ancient wisdom reminds us to trust the process and remain open to opportunities that may come in unexpected ways. Align your thoughts, take inspired action, and trust the flow. Wealth isn't just about having, it's about becoming. Start today and watch abundance find its way to you. If you want to learn more about ancient wisdom, manifestation, and the secrets of attracting wealth, make sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a powerful insight. Let me know in the comments how you're aligning yourself with abundance today.